Well, let's see how this works. There's been a few of you that have uh, shown some interest in getting the web interface set up, and I thought I would do that today. So I've got my TTGO T-Beam from LilyGo. It's connected with USB cable to my Mac, and it's running the latest code as of today, which is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. And let's see, I'm running the 1132 code on my Android. Let's see, I've got a Samsung Galaxy S5 running the latest beta code for the Android, which is 1136. Okay. I have 3 radios in the room running 1132. I'm only connected to one of them with my Android phone. I did an over-the-air update today with one of the radios, and it worked fine. It does take a little while. It's much faster to do it over serial. To do it over serial, all you do is plug in a micro USB to USB-A adapter into your computer, just like you do your Android phone. And any of the ESP programming software that you'll find on the Meshtastic websites works. What I did find is if you use the ESP tool that is like just the application, let me show you that real quick. Let's see. Downloads. Yeah, ESP Home Flasher is that. So, see, there's your serial device. Select your firmware. In my case, I selected 1132 for the US because I'm in the US. I'm not running the health tech, running the T-Beam. So I selected that. I upgraded, and then I wanted to play with the web server. And if you read the let's see, what's this up? Yep, here it is. So if you go to the How to Use Meshtastic Web Interface over Wi-Fi page, you'll see there's a couple of ways to set it up. I'm not going to go over all of that right now. I might show you something in a little bit, but I got this problem. So I got it to work as a standalone access point. I went to it, connected to it, and this is the error I got. And just like it says, this most likely means that the file system for the web server has not been loaded. You probably use the USB Home Flasher or some other GUI tool. Solution: flash the device with the device-install script. So I found that I tried to run it and it didn't work because I hadn't fully installed the Python kit yet. I had installed pip, which helped. And then after I got pip installed, I found out I had to install this ESP tool software. So you can see it installed that, and then after that you install the Meshtastic app, which is pretty cool. That's your interface to talk to the radio using Python from your computer. So you Python application programmers out there, this is all about you. this gets you your API. This is what gets you your ability to communicate with it. So what I did after that is I didn't want to do this option 2. I didn't want it to create its own SSID. I wanted to create my own. And so let's see, what does it say? I guess I did that from this link earlier. Yep. So here's where it shows you how to install pip and Meshtastic. Use the command line tool. And here's where you can set things. So I created an access point, so I use this command right here. Created my own SSID. This is the SSID name, and then this is your password to connect. So all of that works to get you what? Well, I'm connected with my iPhone. Let's see here. I haven't worked out. So I didn't have a lightning cable in the room. So you're going to have to bear with me holding my camera up to my phone up to the camera. And you can see there is a mesh. You can see there is a mesh SSID there. So I'll connect it. Password. Click join. Join. It says it has weak security. And then you open a browser and you type in meshtastic.local. And this is what you get actually. Connect to the Meshtastic device. So I click that button, and it gets a pop-up that says device has been configured. That's it. What else can you do out of the box? You can change the name to, or the directory to meshtastic.local/static. If you do that, you get a file browser, file manager, that you can upload files, and you can start building your own website, you can start building whatever you want. So there you go. Hopefully this helps. It looks like this new code for the Android is pretty good. I sent a message using my phone through one of my radios, and I mean within just a few seconds it was on the other radios. So the mesh built quickly, the message sent fast. I'm here in a basement, so I don't have access to GPS unless I put my radios over there by the window, which is kind of cool. That's really a decent GPS antenna and GPS radio in this thing. So we'll see how it goes, and do some more testing, and hopefully I can update you guys as we go. Keep checking back in, and thanks for bearing with me through all of my learning this while I'm learning how to record, and hopefully the audio is okay. This is literally my first time trying this, so